welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wanji here, and I'm here with an all new video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my foundation routine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing that we're gonna be doing is our skincare. So I'm using my Portia M Day Cream. It has an SPF 20, but I honestly don't care for SPFs in foundation, in makeup, in moisturizers, because really, they don't really do anything. I'm just gonna be moisturizing my face because, well, this is winter, so it's crazy cold and it's starting to get really dry. So I need all the moisture I can get, just to seal in that moisture. And to further moisturize my face, like I said, it's winter, we need a whole lot of moisture. So I'm just gonna grab a bit. I'm going with my Johnson's baby jelly. This is a petroleum jelly. I'm just using that on top as well because we really want to keep that moisture in. Yes, I do this even during the daytime. It's there in my nighttime video. I do that because I don't like feeling dry, and I really don't like feeling dry throughout the day, especially now that you have to have a mask on almost all the time. Like, I don't think I'm the only one who feels this. Masks dry out your face so much, so this at least helps me feel more sane. So next, I'm gonna go in with my sunscreen, my SPF. This is the Renew whatever. I don't usually do not apply my face, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do it so you can see. I'm gonna apply my face. This is an eyeshadow primer, but it works. If you're somebody who's always complaining about makeup not really lasting, so there's a trick that I learned from Anna, where she sets her primer. So you can take your translucent powder or your loose powder, your setting powder. So I'm gonna be using my Kleancolor HD powder, and I'm just gonna use that to set the primer. So this really allows your face to stay matte if you're a matte type of person, and if you're oily, it's really good for oily girls, and if you just want your makeup to last longer. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm using my Maybelline FitMe foundation in the shade 360. This is the Dewy plus Smooth formula. In Matte and Poreless, I'm 368. In Dewy, I am 360. I don't know what Maybelline did there. Brush. You can use a beauty blender. I just really haven't been in the mood for beauty blenders with my foundation lately. So I'm using a brush. I'm using this brush, and then I'm taking a setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on the brush. This allows me to get more payoff from my foundation from the brush, and my brush can just soak it all up. Same as you do with a beauty blender where you wet your beauty blender. So it's what I do basically, and then I'm just gonna blend that out. And it also, if you feel your foundation getting dry, you can also do this, like, yeah, because it really helps. So what I was saying is what I normally do is I apply my foundation like little dots all over my face, first with like my finger or with a brush, and this really allows you to get as much payoff from your foundation as possible. Because sometimes when you don't do this, sometimes you know how sometimes you feel like your brush or your beauty blender has just sucked up all your foundation. When you do that, at least you have your foundation on specific parts of your face where you want it to be, and it gives the illusion of a full coverage, because the parts you want your foundation to be there, the parts you want covered, do have the foundation already on them. So your brush concealer, this is my Wet n Wild concealer, and from my previous video about my makeup favorites, and I'm just going to highlight. Normally I blend this out with this little brush, but lately I This is from my stipple brush set. But lately, I've actually like it blended out better with my beauty blender. I don't know why. To be using my Revlon Colorstay concealer. This is in the shade, what's the shade? Espresso. So it's a little too dark for me. It's a little too dark for me. So it's not that much darker than me, but it's darker. It's too dark. So I use it to contour. So it's like a very light contour, like a very, very light contour, but that's fine with me. So yeah, then I'm using this brush. This is a flat contour brush, a flat angled brush, and I'm just gonna use it to blend out the concealer, to blend out my contour, because whatever. Another thing about this concealer, it oxidizes it a lot. I don't know what it does. So now that I'm done, I'm going to be setting my face with my loose powder. So I'm just going to put that everywhere where I put the concealer and lightly setting other places in my face. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into my contour. This is the Nicka Duo Contour, and it's the darkest thing. I know it doesn't look that dark, but okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take my e.l.f. stipple brush, the big one, and I'm just gonna go into both of these shades. Just do that. Because when I use this, it turns out too dark, and when I use this, it's too close to my skin, but it's also quite dark. So I'm just gonna use it to like lightly bronze my face. Like the light should look at it. You can already see it. And I'm working with a very light hand here. Like with this powder, it's so pigmented that you literally have to work with your light hand. It's so crazy. Like that's why I use this brush, because this brush is very, very light. And it's so fluffy, and I actually really like the way it applies. I'm using a tapered brush, and a tapered powder brush, and I'm just going to use that to dust off the rest of the excess powder. Now, as you guys can see, I did not do my brows. I literally stopped doing my brows before my foundation because I don't like Instagram brows, Insta brows, whatever. I like the more natural looking brows. So when I do it before my foundation, it's because I want to seriously contour or something or whatever. But I like them when they look very natural. And also I feel like when I do them before my foundation and everything, when I'm doing my powder, I mess them up, so they end up not looking as good anymore. So I'm like disappointed. So using a brown pencil liner, is just an average pencil liner. I'm just gonna follow my natural brown. But of course, I'll just clean them up just to, because I can see a little bit of mess. So I'm just going to clean that up with some concealer. I'm using my MAC concealer because this one dissolves so much easily. It doesn't just sit on there. Then I'm using a little flat brush to do that. So the eyeshadow look I'm going to be doing is basically the one that I did for my last video. So, because I don't know, I didn't film it, but I liked it. Oh, I was filming at night, so I knew if I filmed makeup, it wouldn't look good. So I decided I'm gonna do it later. So I'm just gonna do that now. So I'm using my Nicka eyeshadow palette, and first shade that I'm gonna go into is this really pink, light pink shade. I'm just gonna go with that. Like, I'm just going to sweep that right above my crease. This is a very light look. I'm going to go into the hot pink shade down here, and I'm gonna go with that deeper into my crease. So now after that, I'm gonna go into this purple shimmer shade over here, and I'm just gonna sweep that all over my lid. So I'm gonna use a flat eyeshadow brush because I like those for my shimmer shadows. It turns out better than when I use a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using my Nicka liquid liner. I'm just gonna line my eyes, and I'm doing a very soft line. I don't want anything too crazy because it's a very simple look. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna do my other eye, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, and then okay, so now that I am done, okay, so I did my lashes off camera, and now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take, and then I'm going to take my highlighter. I'm using the Sac Bronzer in the shade FitMe that I use all the time. You guys have seen this multiple times on my channel. Just going to highlight. I'm using the brown liner just to line my lips, and then I'll be using this lipstick. It's in the shade Chocolate, so it's very dark. It's a soft matte lipstick. Okay, so this works perfectly fine for me. I'm pretty much done, and yeah, but for the sake of the video, everything I'm doing today is for the sake of the video. I'm going to set my face with the setting spray. So just cover my eyes because I don't want that setting spray might ruin my perfect eyeshadow. So and I am done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my updated foundation routine. Not really updated, but this is my foundation routine. This is what I do almost every time when I'm wearing makeup. There are times when I take it down a little bit, or when I make it a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, or if you want me to do something else, you can say it in the comments section. I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.